I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Set up a simple system before you start capturing ideas. Gather 3 color categories and 1 tray for initial sorting. Keep a pen, 3 pads of notes, and a timer on hand. Use a clear work surface about 24 inches wide to spread notes. Decide on 1 rule, 1 idea per note, and use 10 to 20 word phrases. Label the colors as task, research, and inspiration for fast visual sorting. Capture ideas in focused 5-minute bursts using a 5-minute timer each round. During each burst, write 1 idea per note and include a single action verb. Keep sentences concise and actionable with 10 to 20 words each. After each burst, quickly sort notes into 3 piles: task, research, and inspiration. Place similar notes within 3 inches of each other for easy grouping. Continue rounds until you reach 25 notes or your session time ends. Review your collected notes weekly to refine and prioritize ideas. Consolidate similar notes into 1 summary note that captures the core idea. Assign each actionable note a deadline such as 3 days, 1 week, or 30 days. Use a simple priority rule to reduce 25 raw notes into 5 prioritized action items. Transfer committed tasks to your calendar or task manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.